We are pleased to show you the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.